Just sitting down at your computer and in just 10 minutes having a complete book outline, chapter by chapter, section by section, ready to go. Most new authors spend weeks, sometimes months, just trying to figure out where to start. But with AI, you can generate a structured professional outline in just minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use AI to outline your entire book in under 10 minutes. We'll start with the talking points and then I'll jump on screen and actually walk you through it live. Before we dive in, let's talk about why outlines are so important. A book without an outline is like a road trip without a map. You'll get lost, waste time, and maybe even never reach your destination. An outline does three key things. Number one, it gives you a clear structure to follow so you don't get stuck. Number two, it ensures your book flows logically and delivers value. And number three, it makes writing way faster because you're filling in the blanks instead of staring at an empty page. And with AI, you can create an outline that looks like it came straight from a professional publisher, even if it's your first book. So, okay, let's get practical now. Let's move into the important part, setting up the prompt. To generate a strong outline, you need to give AI a focused prompt. Here's what I found works best. Number one, tell it your book topic. Number two, clarify your audience. Number three, ask for a detailed outline with chapters and subsections. Let's say I want to write a book on productivity for entrepreneurs. I type something like, create a detailed 10-chapter outline for a nonfiction book about productivity for entrepreneurs. Include chapter titles, section breakdowns, and make it practical and beginner friendly. Now, let's jump into the screen so I can show you how it looks. Here's the AI generating the outline in real time. Notice how it instantly creates a full 10-chapter structure, complete with chapter titles and subtopics. Chapter 1 sets the stage by defining the problem. Chapters 2 to 4 dive into strategies and tools. Chapters 5 to 7 build momentum with real applications. And chapters 8 to 10 wrap it up with long-term strategies and next steps. In less than 2 minutes, I've got a professional outline that would normally take hours to brainstorm. And here's the kicker. If I don't like part of it, I can refine it. For example, I could say make chapter 3 more focused on time management tools or add a section on digital detoxing. The AI instantly adjusts, giving me complete control. One additional tip that I will always add, I'll give you guys right here, right now. I add this additional prompt right below here just to ensure that there is no repetition. Go through this 10-chapter outline, analyze it, and ensure that it teaches this topic from A to Z, start to finish, without any repetition. But be thorough. Just by adding this prompt and rerunning the outline, you can ensure that you're not repeating too many things, the same thing being said in chapter 3, chapter 5, and chapter 7, because this does happen with AI sometimes, that sometimes it'll go over the same information too many times and it'll miss its opportunity to cover valuable information that it could have covered instead. So just by adding this one additional prompt, this saves your outline so much heartache in the long term. No, back to the video. So what you just saw is the base outline. But this is where the magic really happens. You can expand it further. Number one, ask the AI to add suggested case studies or examples. Number two, have it create bulleted points for each subsection. And number three, even request estimated word counts per chapter. What you end up with is not just an outline, it's practically your writing roadmap. And once you have that, the actual writing becomes 10 times easier because the structure is already done for you. Now you've seen how simple it is to use AI to write an entire book outline in under 10 minutes. From a blank page to a full 10-chapter outline, you can get professional results instantly. This is just the beginning of what's possible. Once you've got your outline, you can move on to drafting, editing, formatting, and publishing, all with AI tools that make the process faster and easier than ever before. And if you want me to take you step by step through that entire journey, from using AI to write your manuscript to publishing on Amazon as a Kindle, paperback, hardcover, audiobook, and more. That's exactly what I cover in my entire course, and it's linked below. Don't let your book idea sit in your head for another year. With the right tools, you could publish faster, smarter, and actually build multiple income streams from one idea. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.